So hello guys, hope you all are well. So how is going your trading journey? And I hope you all are doing very well and you are enjoying our signals. So today topic is about how to follow your money management. How can you manage your balance? So suppose if you are depositing $10, so how can you manage your $10 amount, and what will be your target? What will be your daily target? Because trading is not gambling. You have to follow the discipline. You have to maintain the discipline of trading. For discipline, there is a sheet for you. This is the gift. So this is the money management sheet. This is confusing, but don't worry, I will explain part by part of the full money management and how can you manage your balance and how can you use the money management. So don't skip the video and watch full video. You need to hear each and every word, because I am not here for wasting time. This is the serious topic, and besides, we are announcing a job, a full-time job or part-time job you want, but this is free. You don't need to pay for the job, and we will announce in 2 or 3 days the job. And the job is very easy, nothing, just earn and earn. All right. And this is my phone screen recorder, and you will find some change on the voice because this is phone recorder. And let's copy our last video your link and then paste here. Clicking on filter duplicate users, then it's 8, and let's see how much comment. The comment is only 12. Okay, let's see who will be the winner. Okay, this is Sajid. Okay, the comment was awesome, sir. Thanks for the video. And Mr. Sajid, you are the winner, and send me the same proof as I told the previous video, and send me message on only MS owner, and send me the proof that you have subscribed and you have liked the video, and you can edit the comment. Thank you. So this is money management. I will show you on also mobile app, also in desktop side. Now I am explaining in desktop side. Mobile and desktop are also same. I will only show you the tough things on mobile screen. Now see here, so this is big screen, so that's why it's easy to understand. So first of all, in the money management, you have to see this is the deposit, and this is per trade amount, this is profit, this is profit percentage, this is deposit, profit amount, closing balance, date, closing balance. So what are the meanings of those headlines? This is the deposit. Deposit means your deposit amount, how much you are depositing or what is your balance. This is the main thing. What is your balance? You have to change only here, nothing, not full area, only change this here according to your balance. Suppose your balance is $300, then place here $300. Suppose I am placing here $300. Suppose your balance is $10, then place here $10. All right, and nothing. After place, click enter, whole amount will be changed. So this money management is very easy. A little baby also can use this money management. That's why I am giving you this easiest money management and the effective money management. Suppose here your balance is 159, suppose 169. So this is very tough to calculate, but enter, all will be changed. So the money management is very much exciting, right? So I am selecting here $100 and placing enter. So this is the deposit amount. This is the whole area, not the whole area deposit amount. Only this cell is for deposit amount or your balance. Okay. So per trade means how much you will take per trade. So you can manage according to your risk amount. All right. Suppose here I am the per trade amount is $2. Okay, the minimum is $1. You can place here $1. Okay, the whole area you can place here $1, and this is Excel sheet. You don't need to place here $1, then again $1, then again $1. No, see here $1. I am placing here $1. See here, all are $1. That's very easy. Just place here $1 and paste whole area. So here this is the profit percentage. This is the main topic, is that your daily target, how much you want to earn daily, how much your daily target. The more you want to earn, the more is your risk. Okay, so suppose you want to earn 10% daily, so you have to select 10% whole area. Okay, suppose daily 10%, this is the whole area. Suppose you want to earn daily 20%, then change it for 20%. You have to change only the first row and whole area will be changed. All right, $20 and click here. Okay, whole area changed. All right, so this is the daily percentage. Your daily target is 20%. Suppose you want to earn daily 50%, then this is the change, daily 50%. All right, this is the daily 50%. And suppose you want to earn daily 100%, then you can change here. This is the daily 100% area. So 10% is better, 10% is minimum. You can change it for 20%, 30%, as per your risk or as your wish. This is the stop loss percentage. Stop loss percentage will be 50%. You will stop your trading if 50% loss daily. All right, 50% will be your stop loss. After 50%, then stop for the day, then start again from tomorrow. Unknown caller. So this is the profit amount. So what is the profit amount? The profit amount is according to your balance. This will be your daily profit, the first day profit, the second day profit, the third day profit. It will be increased day by day. Okay, because your balance will be increased day by day. This is the profit amount of your first day. This is the first day amount. This is from this area, your first day start. Suppose your balance is $100 and you made profit $10, and your closing balance is $110, because your profit amount is $10 plus $100 is $110. All right, so this will be your closing balance. Your starting balance was $100 and your closing balance will be $110. Okay, this will change automatically. You have to change directly just this area, and the money management sheet will show you the whole month. This is for 30 days only. You can just nothing, you can change it by clicking here to here for if you want extra days. So I am using the money management monthly. This is monthly money management, and after 1 month then you can start from new balance money management. All right, so this will be good. And this is the day, this is first day, this is the day, and this is the date. I also added the date. This is the date, and you can change it. Suppose this is 2023 and I am recording the video at 31 January, but I will publish it 1st February. All right, I publish it 1st February. So 1st February. Okay, enter. This is the 1st February, and February is 28 day, but this is 1st March. All right, okay, this will be changed very easy. This will be changed automatically. So 1st February, 2nd February, 3rd February. From 1st February, this is your money management sheet. So second row, what is the second row about? So second row is very easy. That was first day, amount. So second day, from second day your closing balance will be your starting balance, right? Your closing balance will be your starting balance. All right, then the calculation will be for your starting balance again. So this is your profit amount, this is your target, $11. After achieving $11 profit, then leave for the day. All right, then your closing balance will be $121. all right, then this is the day 2. All will be same, just change will be this area and this area. Okay, and again this is the third day, this is the day 3, third day, and your closing balance of second day will be your starting balance of third day. All right, then your profit amount will be $12.1 or $12. You can make a profit of $12 and your balance will be $133. Okay, day 3 and day 4 $133 will be your starting balance, and profit amount will be $13 and closing balance will be $146. And this is very easy. As I told, all are same. So now the main thing is that what will be your profit with according to 10% daily gain, what will be your end of the month amount or end of the month profit with only $100 balance. Only $100 balance. End of the month your closing balance will be $1,586. So if I calculate, the profit amount will be $1,486. That will be your profit amount. So if I calculate in RS, somewhere around 1,20,000 rupees maybe. So that will be your profit amount. And so this is only the capital with $100. So the more your capital, the more your profit, right? Suppose you are depositing $200. Okay, then end of the month your profit will be $3,172. Suppose you are depositing $500, end of the month your profit will be $7,931. So if I calculate in RS, this is somewhere around 7,40,000 plus maybe. So now if I calculate it for $10, so I am calculating it for $10, then end of the month your amount will be $158. Okay, this is the first month profit. So you can change it according to your risk. Suppose here you are so you want to make 30% daily. Okay, then it will change automatically. See here, it will change automatically. So if you gain 30% daily with the $10 balance, then end of the month your amount will be 20,000. 30% balance and 20,000 will be, but you have to maintain the money management. If you respect discipline, training will respect you, but if you don't respect, no. So this voiceover is from my phone recording. So I am telling you in simple, for mobile phone app you can search it on Play Store or App Store, the Excel. If you search Excel, then you will get it very easily, and after clicking my Excel sheet link, then it will redirect you to Excel sheet. Then how to change your balance, just click. Suppose you want to change this row, then double tap here and you can change here. Okay, then click right. By this you can change your sale numbers. Then, and this is the way to change only one cell. But if you want to change the whole column, then how to change? First click here. Suppose you want to change it to 20%, all the sales to 20%, then select here 20%. Okay, then also select here 20%. You need to change back to back any two cells. Okay, back to any two cells, then click right click and then select these two. Okay, then select these two and click on fill. After clicking fill, then spread it up to the finishing line, then it will change automatically. And same as here the date, if you suppose you want to change the date, then change here first and also change the second one, then the same way select, then fill, then spread it up to the finishing line. Okay, by this you can change. And suppose you want to change your parted amount day by day, so how much you want to change, you have to select. Suppose you want to change you want to increase $1 every day. Suppose you want to increase your parted amount $1 every day, then suppose select here 2. Suppose you are taking $2 first trade and second day you want to take $3, then change it to $3. Okay, $3. Then select both, then it will change every day as per your calculation. See here. Okay, so it is changed as per your calculation, every day $1, increase every day $1. All right, so this is the calculation. Then so the question is, where you will get the Excel sheet? The Excel sheet you will get in our Telegram channel. This will free for all. Okay, this will be free for all. Here you will get the money management sheet. When the video will be posted, you will get the money management sheet with the video link. Then if you want to copy my signal, then please watch the video and you will get the video upper right corner of your screen, and you will get the Telegram link on the description. Please check the description below. If you want to create Quotex account, you will get the link in the description below. Click the link and open Quotex account first, and see you on the next video. Thank you.